What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Rita. Hey, my RitasEatas. I am here to do a quick video for you guys. As you know, this is my husband's birthday weekend, so I'm going to take y'all along on this quick little recipe, a cake recipe, you guys. I know y'all love when I do desserts. But first, if you're new here, welcome to another episode of See What Rita's Cooking. I'm glad you stopped by and clicked on this video. I hope you'll like this video so much that you will click on other videos and that you'll become a subscriber. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button for me. It helps me in the algorithms and it just boosts me up in Google search. So let's get started. My husband's favorite cake is German chocolate cake, and I didn't get with any of my German chocolate cake connoisseurs this week because I've just been busy, you guys. The devil has been busy, but I will not be defeated, honey. Amen. Somebody, amen. Okay, so I'm gonna make this cake called the earthquake cake, you guys. It's everything you love about a German chocolate cake in a sheet cake, and y'all know how I am about a sheet cake, a poke cake, a one pan cake. Y'all know I love that jam. So let's get started. Now, you guys, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need the German chocolate cake mix, and you're gonna prepare it just like it says on the box. Okay, I will have the directions in the description box. So I've got my cake mix all made up. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get us a 9x13 pan. We're gonna spray that sucker. Get you something with some flour in it, or you can do it the old-fashioned way, okay? So once you have your cake pan prepared, and you've got your cake batter prepared, right? Okay. This right here is a 8-ounce container or stick or package of cream cheese, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 stick of butter. And I have creamed this up, okay? That's gonna go into our batter. Now, to bring in that German chocolate feel that we love so much, we're gonna start out by taking us some coconut flakes. At least a cup, you guys. Now, if you love coconut, you know, just go on down there until the Lord and your ancestors say, stop, honey. That's enough, okay? But at least a cup, okay? You're going to go right all the way on the bottom of your 9x13, right? So at least a cup. We love coconut. He loves the coconut part and the pecan part, okay? So I'm going to make sure I have him a good little amount. Okay, like I said, this is called the earthquake cake, and when it's done, you guys will understand why it is called that. Okay, so we got that. I think I want some more. I wish I could invert this cake once it's done. I probably can, but I just have never done that, and just see how the bottom looks, because the top is going to look so cool, you guys. It looks like an earthquake has occurred. Okay, so we got that. Then we're gonna take some pecans, at least a cup, you guys. I just sprinkle on my my chopped pecans until the same thing, you know. Yeah, that's enough. That's what I tell myself. I'm still trying to see. I got a lot of some kind of big ones up in here. I'm trying to break them down. You don't mind them having some little, you know, pieces that's big, but you don't. For the most part, you want them small. Okay. So it's going to go right down there. Grab us a handful. Like I said, this is kind of personal to you, but I would say at least a cup of chopped nuts will do ya. But, you know, it's your cake. It's your family's cake. You know, do what y'all like. Okay. It's going right up on top of the coconut. Are you already getting the feels? Because I am. I hope he likes this. I haven't made this for him before. I did make it for somebody else, though. He's so particular, and I just want him to be happy on his birthday. He's going to like it, though. He wouldn't tell me if he didn't. But I'd be able to see it in his face, because he can't hide that face. That face be... Okay, so Just make sure you got your good little base, just like that, right? You might as well down and put the rest of this little stuff on out this bag. These are keeping that. Get all in those corners and in those crevices, just like so. Trying to get it in the oven. It takes an hour in the oven. Get it done and get it in the oven before he even know that I'm doing it. He got to go to work, and then our little journey will start when he get off work. Okay? So you got that. Now you're going to take your prepared cake mix and just pour it right on top, okay? Give it a little whirl. It's already cooked. Okay? It's right on top, just like so. Just like this, you guys. Right y'all way. My arm is kind of a funky spot. I'm trying to go up a little bit. That didn't help, did it? That didn't help at all. I'm still in y'all way. Okay. Get all this cake mix out of here. Remember all my tricks I told you guys about how you can make your box cake have that homemade taste? You know, never use water, use milk. If you can find a pudding mix in the same flavor as your cake, drop that in there. All of those things will give your cake more of a homemade taste, okay? So we got our cake mix right on top of our nuts and our coconut, okay? All we're gonna do now is we're gonna take that cream cheese mix that we have, and we're just gonna dollop it right down in here. Go get something to wipe my hand. Okay? Just a spoon at a time. Just gonna dollop, okay? Tablespoon at a time. I hate for y'all to have to look at this, but I don't want to stop either. So let's just talk or something. What y'all been doing while we get through this? I hope y'all have had a good week, you guys. My week has been so freaking busy. Tomorrow I take him to lunch, and then our journey, our little surprise weekend starts from there. And I hope he appreciates. He's been sick this week too, so he took Alka-Seltzer Plus before he went to bed. So I hope if I get the feeling tomorrow that he's really just not feeling it, you guys, I might cancel some of the stuff that I have. But he don't know I got a room down in Windstar. I'm trying to whisper, y'all. I've got gambling money. I've got us $550 each. You know, when he takes me down there, honey, he lets me blow $1,000 by myself. But honey, I don't have his money. It's our money, but you know, we spend different, okay? You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? All right, just like this, you guys. And now I'm gonna just take my spatula, and I'm just gonna kind of create some waves in here. Now I'm not gonna go all the way down to the pecans and the coconut. I'm just gonna go just like this, y'all. We're just gonna go just like this, all right, till we get it a little bit mixed up in here. This is gonna build those craters, you guys. This is what's gonna make this cake do its little thing and get these little craters all in it. It's really neat when it cooks up, you guys. You're gonna dig it, okay? You're gonna really dig it. I'm just trying to be careful not to go down too far. Okay. Just like this. Okay, you can omit this part. You can just drop it down in here as well. and it is going to still do its thing, okay? You can just do the dollops. Once you have it all mixed in there, guys, all you have to do now is put it in the oven on 350 degrees for 1 entire hour. And when it's done and it's cooled off and it's ready to be cut, I will let you check it out. Okay? I'm excited. Yeah. Be back. So you guys, do not trip out. Don't trip out, y'all. Y'all see the cake that I already been cut into. I took the cake out to let it cool, and then I was going to show you guys in the morning how the cake looked. Well, honey, my kids came home late last night. They ain't asked no questions. They just saw some cake, and they went for what they knew. That's the rudest thing in earth. But anyway, you guys, as you can see, you see those little white little sections in that cake, and you see how we have the pecan and the, you know, the coconut and all of that down there. It is a delicious cake, you guys. And you see those craters and holes at the top. The less manipulation that you do to that cream cheese, you know, if you don't leave some of it at the top, you know, and you'll have more white in those craters and in those holes. But this is how it cooks up. And to me, you guys, it cooks better in a foil tin pan and not a glass pan, because if you're doing a glass 9x13, an hour is just a touch over. Probably about 45 minutes to 50 minutes would be better. It's still very moist, you guys. As you can see, it's still very moist, and it came out really, really good. You see everybody ain't having no trouble eating it, and my husband likes it. He says it does give him a good taste of that German chocolate that he loves. It's not German chocolate, but it gives him that taste that he loves. And so, you guys, this is the end result of the cake. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. You guys, 90% of my views come from people that are not subscribed to my channel. That is amazing to me. If you're gonna watch, just go ahead on and subscribe. Even if you're not gonna stop by all that often, the subscriptions help me in the algorithm. Hitting the like button helps me. Sharing the video helps me. And you guys are doing an amazing job, and I love talking to you guys. But this is it for the earthquake cake. And I hope you guys find this one another one that you'll try over and over again and add to your recipe box. And that's it for me, guys. I'll see you next time when we see what Rita's cooking. And don't forget, it's not all the way live. Your food ain't all the way live, baby, until it's been what? RitasEatas. See you guys. I love you. Bye.